how to fix Steam disk write error. First, if you're having any kinds of problem on your Steam, such as your disk write being error or showing any kinds of error, what you want to do is first you want to simply restart your Steam application or website over here. If you have the Steam website, you want to simply close it completely from here and open the app again. After that, if that doesn't solve your problem, if you try again as well, what you want to do is you want to simply restart your PC over here, tap on start icon, tap on the power button, and you'll be able to find an option called restart over here. You can simply restart your PC over there. After that, you want to simply open your Steam application or website over here again, and you want to simply go to the download settings. You can simply go to your community over here, or you can simply go to your profile, tap on your games over here, and inside your games, if you have any kinds of download status, you want to simply clear your download cache over here, and by doing so, you'd be able to verify the affected games files as well, and you'll be able to check the drives for errors. If the problem still continues, you want to simply try downloading again, and you shouldn't be facing any kinds of problem. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.